Came from my last video, then you know I'm about to slay my face with a bunch of new products and I'm very excited. This isn't new to me, but I got another Patrick Ta Major Dimensions 3 palette and that's the eyeshadow I'm gonna use today. Set this inner part of my lid with the white shadow in there. I want a bright inner corner today. This middle brown shade and start at my outer edge and blend the crease. Taking the darkest brown shadow and lining my eye with this in between shade right here and start to smoke out really lightly that lash line. Back in with that light shade again, kind of reinforce that brightness right here. Best part always, snatch. Now it's time to try the new stuff. Patrick Ta Major Volume Mascara. Use it on this side and then the Mario Master Mascara on this side. I always use a lash primer, but I really want to see how these do on their own. Wand on this is kind of big, so I'm hitting up here a lot, but I'm used to that. Okay. I'm liking how it's a bigger brush, but it's like still kind of fanning out my lashes and not getting clumpy. The Mario on this side. I already used this and I've noticed it is definitely more of like a wet formula. Already getting less like dabs on my eye with this one. Okay, the looks of them are pretty similar. Both pretty black and they're both volumizing mascara, so that kind of makes sense. Okay, this is 2 coats of them. I honestly don't think I have a favorite. They're both very similar and I like both, so just glued on some Kiss Airy Wispy lashes over here, not to be on some Michaela Lashgate shit. The Mario mascara is flaking off way better than the Patrick one. Probably because this one has peptides, so it's like more of like a condition-y formula. The Elastic Skin, not new to me. I already love this. Has copper peptides, vegan snail mucin. It's amazing. Using some of the Revive Face Sculpt. This is supposed to like snatch your face. I will say like the little applicator feels nice. Huh. I think where they're getting the snatch from is these little balls to like sculpt your face. Feels really nice rubbing in my skin right now, I can't lie. If I see a snatch, the moisturizer feels really nice and I like it so far. A lot of Revive's sculpt thing is a gimmick to me. Trying out some of the Kosas color corrector. Ooh, okay, this is brightening a lot. Where did my eye bags go? I really like this. This has great coverage and it color corrected well. This impeccable skin foundation is blurring, soft matte, second skin, weightless, moisturizing, hydrating, natural. Shut up. It's supposed to be full coverage, so I'm gonna use 2 pumps for now. Just like blend it on my face a little bit. This looks like it's gonna be a good shade match. House Labs brush. Ooh, okay, this is definitely full coverage, which I love. This is 1CR, and I feel like it's still a little bit yellow, but holy shit, the finish of this is crazy. I am obsessed with this already. My skin looks like blurred. Covered up all my blemishes like that. Like 10 out of 10 so far. Got the Rare Beauty Soulless Soft Pinch Contour. Shade looks a lot like Salt and Say so far, and if you know, you know. Okay. I picked out good shit. This is blending in beautifully. Wow. In real time. That is really easy. Okay, Selena. This just might replace my Say Salt, which is hard to do. I really like this. She's buildable. Just do like one more dot on my cheekbone. Yup. Oh my god. Nothing feels better than when you get a new makeup routine and they all slay so far. I'm not even trying to be a kiss ass to these products. Like, I bought it all with my money. I could care less if the brands like me. Everything I'm using so far, I'm really fucking with. Rhode Sleepy Girl is gonna pair well with this berry blush, so I'm gonna use that. I will say the Refine moisturizer is not comparing to my Rhode Barrier Butter, but I still like it. I've been a color corrector girl, but the under eye and just the overall complexion right now is insane. Seeing my concealer isn't creasing as fast with that color corrector, which is crazy. This Flawless powder is so underrated. I love it for my face. Love my YSL bronzer. It is worth the money. I have high hopes for this YSL blush. This is in the berry shade. Oh, stunning. Oh, pigmented. Fuck. Does blend out pretty nice. I might have to go back in and brighten my under eye, but that's user error. Have like a blurring kind of finish to them too. Love. The Kosas Pink Loose Powder to brighten back up. I'm genuinely obsessed with this foundation. It is flawless on. Never use a stark white waterline. It's a flop. Don't do it. Nude, write it down. Mario Rich Mauve, and I love this shade. Try the Super Shine Gloss. This is in Rosewater. Oh, honey. Love this applicator. I knew I would, but yes. Wow, that feels really nice. Feels more like an oil than a gloss, which I like because they're not like sticky feeling. Popular opinion, but everyone loves the Fenty gloss bombs and I just don't. I don't know if there's something wrong with me, but like prefer this over that any day. Set her down with the Easy Bake setting spray. This is supposed to keep your base matte. Okay, just doused my face. I prefer a little bit of a finer mister. Okay, yeah, it still looks pretty matte. My under eyes haven't been messed with at all. Transfer proof. Okay. Not bad. Top to show you guys the new Patrick Ta body lotion. Let's see. I love the smell of this. This smells bougie as fuck. Oh yeah, she's definitely... Yeah, okay, she's got a glow. Finish it off with the body oil. I don't know how much to do. That's... Okay. Yo. Oh yeah, she's bronzy now. So fucking glam right now. I love it. Really lucky and I enjoy everything I've tried. The only thing is I think the Refi sculpting part's a bit of a gimmick, but I still like the formula of it. Guys, definitely let me know what you think and if you're gonna go pick up any of these products. I'm obsessed with myself right now. Yeah, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye, bitches.